Justin Bronson from the Bass College down in Georgia, staying with some family in Winder. And so Lake Lanier is only about 25-30 minutes away, and we're gonna go see if we can get out there and catch some spotted bass. We're probably gonna end up fishing deep. Got some big jigs, drop shots, shaky heads, just the regular deep stuff. It's gonna end up, I guess, fish points. I'm not really sure. We've been doing a lot of research and just trying to figure out how it's gonna be. So we'll see you on the water.
Fish up.
We're at 30 water, 6-pound sunline, rod, 7-12 spinning. Drop shot with a Zoom Z-drop, 3/8 ounce tungsten. My first Kentucky spotted bass. We'll get a picture and then the release.
8-pound sunline sniper, rod 713S. Got a nice spotted bass, first one ever.
Down in Georgia on Lake Lanier, out here fishing for some big mean spotted bass. This is our second day fishing. We fished around a little bit yesterday, only caught 2. We're probably gonna go fishing points and 40 or so foot of water, drop shots, maybe some shaky heads, and we'll see how that goes. First little spot of the day on the same bait I caught him on yesterday. Zoom Z-drop on a drop shot, 3/8 ounce tungsten. These guys are mean for their size. He's not even a pound. He was really fighting on this 6-pound sunline, 7-12 spinning.
Just got off the water on day 2. We went back out, explored a lot more. We went to the same spot we did yesterday. We caught 2 more, both on drop shots. It's really hard to find brush without the right equipment, so we just explored a lot, try to find some brush down deep, 30 feet, 25. But we got 2 today. Hopefully tomorrow we can find some new